We've got a question today involving a loan for the law in you. Greg Fellerman, Ed Saramboli, they are our award-winning attorneys, guys. It is my pleasure to see you today.
Oh, it's been a long week.
All right. Well, yeah, we got to get to the weekend here, so let's get to this legal question here, and this is from Chris in Hazleton. He wants to know, I loaned my ex-girlfriend $2,500. She paid back $500. We broke up now, and she doesn't want to pay. What can I try to do to get my money back? What can Chris in Hazleton do in this situation?
These questions never start off well and never end well. Chris, there's not a lot that you're going to be able to do, I mean, if she doesn't have any money. I'll let Greg talk about kind of the actual process, but how many questions have we had with
people?
I mean, a lot. Just stop loaning people money, family, girlfriends. I mean, she's a girlfriend, she might be an ex-girlfriend at some point, and you know, you're going to end up in a situation like this. If you're going to do it, make sure that you have a written contract, that the terms are spelled out. But in terms of what you could do, you know, what's your kind
simple? It's a simple action. The amount in controversy is less than $12,000. You're going to file it at a local magistrate, district justice, and you'll file a civil complaint, breach of contract, they didn't pay, and you know, you're going to have to put a hearing on in front of the district judge, and you're going to have to prove your case. And obviously, any written instrument, if you have a contract, even a check that says loan at the bottom is helpful. All that stuff is what you're going to want to have to present your case. Pretty simple, but the problem is you get your judgment. The problem in these situations is collection, and that's why Ed was talking about if they have money, great, you could collect. Sometimes people will call judgment proof, and you can have a judgment, but so what? You're never going to get paid. Yeah.
All right, some good advice from our award-winning attorneys and our viewers that may need your legal help. How can they reach you guys?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or the hotline.
Or you can see Ed at the gym.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment. The questions about loaning money, the answer is never good.
Yeah, and I noticed Ed putting on a couple of pounds because so many people are asking him at the gym legal questions. Yes. He can't get his workout in. So don't forget to get in touch with our award-winning attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. PAHomepage.com, the best way to go. Or Ed loves standing by on the hotline. He'll take your question there any day, anytime.